Alright guys, the time is up. Give me your paper. Give me your paper. Give me, no. Bro, oh my.
Impossible to do it. It's
Bro,
literally
I left it
impossible.
blank.
What?
There's nothing on the page.
I didn't write a single
You can't
thing.
do it.
You can't do it.
I'm gonna show you how to solve that question under 2 minutes. So you see this integral in the very last question of your exam paper, and you've got 5 minutes remaining. You're gonna stress out because you're gonna have to use integration by parts again and again. But most students fail at the point where they cannot get to a conclusion. And usually these questions are worth about 7 marks. For instance, for Math AA HL for IB, it's probably worth around this range. Now I'm gonna show you easily how to integrate this. First of all, you want to call this entire integral I. Next, we're going to use integration by parts to evaluate the first part of the integral. U dv is equal to uv minus the integral v du. Well, let's make a smart choice. If we say dv is equal to e to the power of x dx, well, we know that e to the power of x integral is just e to the power of x. So v is equal to e to the x. And we're going to say that u is equal to sine x, du is equal to cosine x dx. Now we're just going to plug in these lovely values into our integral, and we're going to get u sine x times v, which is e to the power of x, minus the integral v, which is e to the x du cosine x dx. This is all equal to I. Now we're again going to use integration by parts for this integral, where again we say dv is equal to e to the x dx, and u is equal to cosine x. And so du is going to be minus sine x, and v is going to be e to the x. I get that I is equal to sine x times e to the power of x minus e to the x cosine x plus the integral e to the x minus sine x dx. Oops, sorry, we forgot the dx here. I can just bring out this minus sign to here, and now look what we have. We said that initially I was equal to this integral, and here we have the same thing. So we're going to say this is equal to I. So I can move the I to the left hand side and get 2I is equal to sine x times e to the power of x minus e to the power of x plus x. Finally, I get that I is equal to 1 over 2 e to the power of x times sine x minus cosine x. And this is how we solve this integral. Oh my god. Plus c. Thanks for watching.